All right, next, let's sell value and educate the homeowner. If the homeowner does not see the value in completing a load calculation, then I have to say you failed them. All you need to do in your sales process is explain why they want a properly sized system and why the code exists. Explain that some of the items that go into a load calc and how anyone just sizing based on square footage will be doing you a disservice. I used to like explaining how this help assured the system was not needlessly oversized, which would cost them more for the installation and operating costs over the lifetime of the equipment. How oversized furnaces short cycle and crack heat exchangers, or compressors in a heat pump fail. This is a great chance to set expectations regarding comfort, like the temperature setting or the outdoor design temperature, efficiency and energy savings and reliability. Honestly, the options are endless when selling the value of a properly sized system. And doing this is part of a professional sales presentation. All right.